Hey everyone, this is Kapil Bhatia. Welcome to my channel Infinite Study. In my today's session, we are discussing another sorting technique, that is insertion sort. So before going to the implementation, let me explain the logic at first. So, insertion sort is a sorting algorithm that builds a sorted list one element at a time from the unsorted list by inserting the element at its correct position in sorted list. Here you can see I have shown the elements of the list in two parts. Okay, this is my marker. Left hand side element of this marker are sorted element and right hand side elements of this marker are unsorted element. So for insertion sort, we just pick one element from unsorted array and insert it into sorted array in a proper order. Okay. So next time you can see there are two elements in sorted array and rest of the elements are unsorted. So we just pick one element from unsorted array and we just place it into sorted array in proper position. So that is insertion sort. To understand it better, I give you a demonstration. Here you can see my list of items consisting 6 elements. So the size of my list is 6 elements, and as we know the indexes start from 0 to size minus 1. Okay. Now we are supposed to sort them in ascending order. So for that, here you can see the marker. That means the left hand side elements are in sorted order and right hand side elements of this marker are in unsorted order. So for that, first we start with index number 1. At index number 1, the element is 12. Okay. Now our aim is to place this 12 at its position in sorted array. So first I shall keep this 12 in a separate variable like 10. Here you can see a free space. Okay. Now we compare the current element in the left side element. So that means 12 is compared with 16. Because 12 is lesser than 16, so we move on 16 and free space shifted at location number 0. Now there is no elements remains to compare with 12, so that the value which was in temp will keep here. Okay. Here you can see 12 has come to their place in sorted array. Okay. Now I am explaining next step. For next step, again I pick one element from unsorted array, and now our aim is to place 18 at its position in sorted array. So I shall keep 18 in separate variable, that is temp, and compare with left side element with which is 16. Because 18 is greater than 16, so none will move, and we can say 18 is desired place and free space filled with temporary variable, that means 18. Okay. Here you can see 18 is now in sorted side. Okay. Now move to next step and repeat the same process again. So for that, just pick one element from unsorted array, that is 13, and compare 13 with all the left hand side elements. That means first we compare 13 with 18, because 13 is less than 18, so 18 shift one right side. Again we just compare 13 with 16, because 16 is more than 13, so 16 is also moved from one right side. And next time when we compare 13 is less than 12, the condition is false because 13 is greater than 12. So what happens? The space or the gap filled by temporary variable, that means 13. And now you can see the position of or the element position of sorted array. Okay. Now move forward and pick one more element from unsorted array, that is 14. So first we'll keep 14 in temporary variable and compare 14 with all the left hand side element. So 14 is less than 18, so 18 shift one right side. Again 14 compared with 16, because 14 is less than 16, so again 16 is move one right side. And when we compare 14 is less than 13, the condition is false, so the gap is filled by temporary variable, that means 14. Okay. Now you can see the sorted array elements. Okay. So for next step, again I pick one element from unsorted array, that is 10, and compare 10 with all the left hand side element. That means when we compare 10 with 18, 18 shift one right side. When we compare 10 with 16, because 10 is less than 16, so 16 is just move one right side. When we compare with 14, so 14 will move one right side. same as 13 and same as 12. Okay, now there is no element on left hand side, so the gap is filled by temporary variable value, that means by 10. Here you can see the position of element in the list after each pass. Okay. Now take a practical session and try to implement insertion sort in Python. For insertion sort, I just take a list. My list elements are 16, 12, 18, 13, 14 and 10. Okay. For insertion sort, first I start a loop for I in the range. So we start our process from index number 1 to size. Okay, so for that we just write length of Now I shall keep the first position element in a separate variable like temp. So for that I just write temp is equal to matrix of Now compare it with all the elements in the left hand side. So for that I just set j is equal to I minus 1 for left hand side elements. Okay. And again I start one more loop while j is greater than equal to 0 and the value of temp variable is less than matrix of j. While both conditions are satisfied, what we have to do is we just shift element on right hand side. So for that we just write mat of j plus 1 is equal to and then after decrease the value of j by 1. So for j is equal to j minus 1. As soon as this while loop is terminated, we will shift the value of temporary variable to our list. So for that we just write is equal to 10. That's it. Now when I run this code, so for that I just write print When I run this code, you will find the output as before sorting elements are 16, 12, 18, 13, 14 and 10 and after sorting the elements are 10, 12, 13, 14, 16 and 18. So I hope you understand how we implement insertion sort in Python. Okay. So students, that's enough for today class. Hope you understand. Again, we will meet in our next class. Till then, take care and thanks for watching this video.